Quick update on Octavia. Installed some rain guards today. Didn't film it because it's not very eventful. Takes about 15 minutes. I wasn't sure I was going to do this or not, but I like the way they look on other people's cars. Like, yeah, let's try it. The AVS auto vent shade. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, here's the model number if you want to check and get them. But that'll come off. I'll probably take that off of there. Yeah. Keep losing. Okay. So yeah, it's just little things right now. I got some other stuff coming up down the pike that I'm going to document. I'm documenting all this stuff basically for myself, so I can go back in a year or two and say, oh yeah, I remember when it looked like that, and we did this and we did that. And, okay, but there's car people out there, a lot of car people out there that love this kind of stuff. So turn this on. Also, after we did the air intake, I said I was going to install a rear diffuser, which I did. Damn it, why does this keep... Okay. There she is. Gives it a more aggressive look, I'd say. Also helps the wind stabilization and all that. That one is not a... That's not a carbon fiber one. That's not one of the big fancy ones. Wait till I get a Hellcat to do that. Just kidding, baby. Just kidding. But you know, what are you gonna do? They do make bigger, better ones, but it looks good. It gives it a better look in the ass end. The other one is over there somewhere, where it's just flat. Also, a couple weeks ago, we painted the calipers, and this video is going to be boring as shit, but I just want to get people updated. And you can't even see them. Where are they? Oh, yeah. So, need to clean them off a little bit. So we painted them black, and my buddy Wayne helped me out a lot with that. He wasn't too keen on the black idea, and because they don't really pop, you know, they don't really stand out. You don't really notice them that much. And I was like, just wait, it'll be great. I have a vision, yada yada yada. And it turns out he was right. I'm not crazy about it. I'm not crazy about it. Initially, I wanted to go with purple, and Dodge makes a purple called Hellraisin purple, and we're trying to, once I get the color code or match it as close as I can to that color, I'm going to go with that. So we know a guy who can mix that up for us. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to repaint them. I got some other ideas too that's going to go with the whole space and alien theme that I'm into. So these might have to go. I don't know. I don't know if they're going to be the right color or not. So for now they look cool. I think they match the paint and everything, but I might be switching these up along with hold on, turn this on again. This is charger. The gentleman who had this car before me was going with red highlights, and he installed a red charger on the door seals here. Those are coming out, and I have other ideas for that, so that'll be cool. Just going to do some stuff that you know, to make this car my own. You know, there's a lot of chargers on the road, but you kind of want to be an individual. At least car people do. And I definitely want to change it up a little bit. And the antenna up here, got some ideas for that too. I don't know. I saw one with shark teeth on it, and it looks like a shark. Baby shark, baby shark. Which was kind of, that gave me the idea. I was like, well, I should do something with that. So, yeah, but that's coming off. I don't like that. But other than that, that's about it for now. So, this is your update, my update. Again, I want to document this stuff to see my progress over the next, whatever, 5 years. So, all right, nothing too extravagant here. Nothing too, oh, hey, Wayne, there was, right around in here, there was like somebody took a Sharpie and just colored it in right here. It's like there was a spot that they couldn't tint or something. I don't know what happened, but it came off. This last weekend, I got some cleaners out and I just wiped it until it went away. And it's gone now, and there's nothing underneath it. So I don't know what somebody was doing. Why you would take a black Sharpie and write on your rear window is kind of odd to me, but I got it off of there, so that made me happy. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Just a ball of excitement, I know, but it's hotter than Hades out here today. It's like 100 degrees in here, and I want to go back inside. So, see you. I almost forgot one more thing. Clean my bra off. Damn it. Gonna be on television. Yes, I bought a bra. I'm not crazy about it. I'm not a big fan of the bra, but I drive the highway a lot. I drive like 270. And when you're driving 70 plus miles an hour and somebody in front of you is too, and rocks and whatever fly up and hit the front end of your car, it's not a love tap. I mean, it dings it up pretty good. So this is it's gonna save my front end. Like if I'm going to car shows or just around town or whatever, or a friend's house, I'll take it off because I really love the front end, the way the front end looks, and to cover it up like that is just sad, but it's for a good cause. So I had to do what I had to do. I've never, I've never had a brawl before. Not for my car anyway. All right. See ya.